This is Ash from Trimming Shop. I'm just going to show you the machine, the Cam DK98. I'm just going to show you how to put it together and put on make a simple hole and put on some eyelets. So first thing that you need to do is you need to unscrew the side for you to be able to pull the die out. Insert the lower part into the hole below. The upper part goes into the thread on top. And then you have a small Allen key on the right hand side which you just need to tighten up to get it, secure it into place. Once that's done, you need to get the Allen key back, screw it into place and secure the die into place as well. You also have an Allen key in front where you can secure the die so that it grips into place and it doesn't move. The only thing to note here is to make sure that it's aligned up, so you may need to adjust it to make sure that the die aligns up with the machine itself so that you've got a smooth finish, as you can see here. Once that's done, you can pick up your fabric and make a hole in there. You need to place it down on a hard surface so then you get good enough pressure, but because it's not bolted down, so you may find it a bit difficult. Once you've made the hole, like so, you can then take out the eyelet die by unscrewing the side again. Then changing over to the eyelet die. Doing exactly the same operation by securing those with this nut on the side and screwing it into place. Place the fabric that's been cut over. Sorry, first you need to put the washer in underneath. Put the fabric over. Put the eyelet in. Sorry, my mistake. You need to put the eyelet in first. Fabric over. Putting the washer face down and then pressing it again quite firmly hard right to the top. Once that's done, you'll get a good secure finish at the back and the eyelet will be secure. Thank you very much for watching our YouTube channel.